Hello guys, phone kaham. Song tini thang tonggo gonga nogor tu cycle waterfall tuitak. Chin logi tonggo PPR pohor. Cipra Raida 02. Yang kai Ansu tonggo. Samu tonggo teu. Dera. Chin dol taku pai tonggo. Chin dol lok pai tongko. Yang ibu dol mak nui mak tham pai nai. Te boro yang pai tu yang ti pai tonggo. So guys. Stay tuned. Saya keren naik tong ni. Thang lima rok lama rok. See you guys.
Hinke guys tabu chung thang tongo ke no bar ne ba so sound rok kheme ado sound kam phaya ke voice record ma khaika nai tung bi hinke guys tabu khai sin dol camera romoi tongo bo kisa vlog rok khaina hanon ke an phone di dikha ge chungbo back side tongo do bisi no bar bla reso ke so sound rok kam kle kaya ke voice record ma khaika hingke nai puske na aram nangka tai saise pailia enjoyment obno sikla samoyni hingke krong tong ni tebo kam phurung ganang aram le onek nangka guys bike bai scooty ro botongo hingke krong tong ni paisa jero
Our YouTuber boy is coming. It's very dusty here, bro. Now we'll walk. We are on the way. We are on the way to the cycle. Main road we almost reached. Now by running we should go. Oof. 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 My phone. You don't run. We have to wait for our YouTuber bike because it is mobile, and by walking I think we have to go to cycle. Let's see how it's very difficult. It's very costly. The road is very dusty. This road they are going to make, but they will not make here. They'll make this outside. They'll cut all the jungle and this part they'll make. You see, my leg when pura entering inside. I'll show you. We have come to the main road. Just see. And here some villager boys are selling some things and all, as you can see. This is main road. Now after coming from there, Kacha Road, we'll take here some rest. We took here rest. This is our group, all from our school. We'll do high five again. Me and Hunter, we have to edit something. High five, you take straightly that video. This is our group, and this is the highway. You can see. Now, without wasting time, we should go now directly. We should go. Okay then, let's start our rider, bro. This is our YouTuber. Please subscribe his channel.
Hingga guys, finally sok bagasi destination no. Hingga tak thang tongo view rok nai de cycle lama ni view. So guys, enjoy the view. Tak thangoi tongo.
If you want to see upside, I will show you the view. If this upside, I'll climb. Wait, 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 wait. Full of bagan. Bagan. Hello guys, now we have reached here. This Saikar Road, this one waterfall. We'll go downside, more downside. We'll go. You see till end our vlog. From here now we'll start. This is our YouTuber. Bye. Oh YouTuber. Oh, you can take us bye. And this one is the one. This upper one road. Oi. That side, that another road, correct? There another this side road is very rich. That one, that road, that place from upside they are coming. They are died. One girl did you here from here. That in second place, that one girl died. One that place from this side. This road, this road.
Oh, don't post now. Okay, after
this upper road. And this is here. Lotus is to grow now, but because of this, that's Hatung not done. Because of that summer. And this place very moila waterfall, but very moila waterfall here, but we'll take but not in this place. We'll go there another waterfall. Here to very moila. We cannot take but see. I'll climb from this upside to show you experience. Woo. From this side upside they're going and they're dying people. From this side, this road. Don't ever go this one. This one is Purana from this upside, and this is new road from here this side. This is new road from that upside to downside. Now we have to walk and go very far. You watch our vlog till end. Subscribe, like, don't forget. Finally guys, we have reached here at this waterfall. That's hiker one. You see, they are making this new road this way. Before then, well, we came. It was not like that. It was like this only. But they are modifying like that to this. This one to this one they are modifying. Yeah. They're making new road modifying there. Maybe this one is for car and this one is for walking going on. And this one is the you can take rest here. You can take rest. Guys, I feel here no people man. You just see, I'll show you downside. Watato is there but little. And here you can see this side, our friend.
We are so tired, they are not even helping for us.
The most costly they're coming, you see what they're carrying. They're carrying Sprite plus speaker box and all. News I'm carrying, bag I'm carrying me also.
We are tired.
As I say, you don't ever try to come from this road. This road is very scary. Okay, before road to this one only, but new road they've made this road, new road. Maybe. I still feel water. No, that man. You can see all, bro. Water to be found now, little at least. Water to be found. Oh, you must costly we are walking again. Yeah, you can take rest. There water. There are some people toys there, but now I'm going to take one because from the mask we are walking coming one. In please downstairs we're going to drink. Come. Sorry guys, I'm the first boy because I am local boy. I am first boy. You see the road. By road you have to come. By road you have to come this one. But this road is no more working. This one is no more working. There our friend, be careful. Be careful boys. Aste. But for me to know aste. Direct one. It's my style man, it's my style. Okay. guys, waterfall just see. Whoa! Suspect wala. Na. Guys, na yes sini to.
Then outside you climb down.
Kaham ke tu lagi?
Music.
Buat ni bapa nawa sini yang sini jual bin bagi.
So guys, check out the view. Suck. Our Basil Boys production members. See, oh my God, most dangerous. Our team.
Last night exam pa enjoy khai tong ho.
Waterfall most dangerous. Of Cyker. Guys, check out. Oh my, pura dangerous. Check out the view. Danger. Bujat tu kuah. Sin dolog, sini member. Basil Boys production member. Guys, lagi. Our one more boy drunkard.
I miss you, bro. I will miss you so much, bro.
Cindol saya buat tanganai, kami tangla mana bagai, mana cuma itu tong lihat ah.
My heart.
Miss Khaleo. Ini cuma set na.
Bro. Ini aja dong. Deh, santai. Bro. Bro, tampil aja. Nota. Tutup.
Kokuk saya manja guys.
Ben polisi di sekitar mana? Oh bro, kam. Oh samudra.
Guys.
Drinking our old, we have drink all together. Whenever
Lepas jurun ke?
the last time we were drinking.
2,000 years later.
Guys, pura hadle ye. Orang muka.
Hingga guys ini dol nok ungko hatle ni bagai oxygen man liya nomor man le bagai bo maku baka in bagai kisa voice rok bondo makai ka hingga guys ini blog osung no nai thank you for watching tai hambai.